Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of AUMcuisine, authentic, universal, meditative. You're going to be making a beautiful vegan Zen salad. This is all about a little bit of preparation, immense flavor, and just a taste of Japan like none other. But I'm going to have a lot of the little steps explained to you because you really need to prep for the salad at least 2 to 3 hours ahead of time. So that has some really finely sliced white onions with olive oil. And I like to marinate it without any salt and keep it ahead. It really softens it beautifully. And to this, after you spread it out a little bit, I'm going to be putting in some cucumber. The cucumber brings out water, so you really want to layer just enough. I'm not going to be taking all of the watery part, just the top part like so. And to this, I'm going to be putting in another layer of marinated pink radish. Now the pink radish has lemon juice in it and a teeny weeny bit of Himalayan salt. So we're going to layer it up like so. Once that's done, I'm going to layer 2 pieces of the seaweed. Remember, because there is so much moisture, the seaweed is not going to retain the kind of a crisp taste, but we don't want that. We're doing it only for the flavor. So far, no salt except for the salt that's there in this marinated radish. To this, I'm going to be putting in some toasted sesame seed oil, like so, and then put in some finely ground black pepper, a little bit of black sesame seeds, a few pistachio nuts, some basil, and the juice of some ginger and the ginger itself. Now after that, you just take it and do a little quick twist. Allow all the flavors to intermingle and do a quick twist. To this, we are going to be adding in some miso mayo. You can get it in any flavor you like, but the spicy red pepper flavor is the best. We'll link it in the bottom. And allow this to stay for about 5 minutes so that the flavors get to know each other. And then we will plate up or bowl up. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is we have a pretty Zen looking bowl. And to this, we're going to be putting in our salad. The salad has been flash marinated in the sense we put all of the marinated things all together and held it together for about 5 minutes for the flavor. Just flatten it with a fork like so. So this forms the base of your salad. Now we're going to make it look all pretty and add some antioxidants. So we're going to be putting in some amaranth sprouts. Beautiful color of purple right there. And then we are going to be putting in some pistachios. So just put the pistachios like in a circle. And then to this, in the center, some black sesame seeds. And then we're going to be putting in some of the pink radish. It's pretty like that. And some of the cucumber. And what really needs to happen here, this is really important, we're going to be putting the paste of some umeboshi plum, like so. And a little pistachio there. More sesame seeds. So there you go, and there you have it. So I'm going to do a taste test right now. I'm going to do the taste test though from this bowl so that we can do some nice pictures for Instagram on this one. Okay, so such a beautiful, complex, macrobiotic feel of Japanese flavors and so easy to put together. Now, if you do want it, you can also serve it with some crackers, which are inspired by Japan. just like that, just maybe 3 or 4 of them. And we'll link it down. It's Tamari Arare rice crackers from Lotus Foods. Beautiful. So there you have it. Beautiful Zen vegan salad inspired by Japan. Until we meet again in another exciting episode of AUMcuisine while we explore the salads of the world together. This is Vaidya Priyanka.